never imagined that over the last 3 days, we would have had the opportunity to see people come up, look at their words, and be moved to tears. There is a tradition that says that sometimes there is a calling that calls to you, there is a need that has to happen, and the response to that calling is to stand up and say the words, "I am here."
Your broken talent escalator is costing your company a fortune. How can I know that? We've just met. And yet I know that within your organization, you are not optimizing the talent and you're struggling every single day. Our employees are our greatest asset. It's such a good line. It makes us feel so good. And I hate to tell you, it's completely wrong. Assets are something that we acquire for a price. We depreciate them over time and we write them off for nothing. Today's workforce is your equity. The investments you make in your employees of all ages, from your youngest to your oldest, will continue to pay off dividends for decades. Imagine that you get onto an escalator on the ground floor and you want to ride to the 6th, 7th, even the 8th floor. As you start to move up the escalator, you start to notice that there is a problem, and by the 5th floor, it's obvious. By the 6th floor, it is a crisis. This escalator that you are on is ending, and there is no clear path for what comes next. And as you stall on that top step of the escalator, you cause a stalling effect on every stair all the way down the system. Until new recruits are looking up at this escalator, they're seeing cultures of people who are stuck on treadmills, and they're saying no thanks. It is our own attitudes and approaches to our workforce that is actually shaping the workforce we are getting. I'm going to let you guys in on one secret that should make all the difference in how you look at what you're facing, how you solve problems, how you predict the future. We can either approach problems and issues as puzzles or as mysteries. In business school, we're taught to solve problems as puzzles. I hear some of you commenting to each other that that's not your universe, and to be honest, that's not anybody's universe. In fact, we never have all of the pieces. We learn along the way. We shape our collective futures by gathering what has happened in experiments every step along the way. And we don't wait. We don't wait for all the puzzle pieces to be assembled. Instead, we move ahead with curiosity and like detectives. I know why you're here. You're here because the session said decoding the future of work, and you want all the answers. And here's the first secret. As you're going through your work, you should be watching for what the drivers are that are shaping the future of work. It's demographics, it's the relationship you have with your employees, it's the impact the freelance economy is or isn't having. It's platform-based business models like Uber and Airbnb. And then it's the impact AI, robotics, machine learning, the impact technology is having on the future. So let's not evolve an outdated system. Let's blow it up. Let's approach the future of work by going back to first principles. What is it that we're trying to do? Engage a workforce over the course of its natural working life. Let's build it from scratch, and let's do it together.